Hey, what's up, YouTube? Check it out. I got the latest Upper Deck product 2020-2021 hockey clear cut. Everybody knows what it's about, so let's just get into it. Hoping for a big name here. Let's get a veteran autograph. That's what I want. Last year, I think I got Michael McLeod. Stupid, what was it? It was a canvas autograph, not even a clear cut. So this year, let's get something good. Honestly, I don't really know how this is configured, so let's flip it upside down, do something dramatic. Oh, shit. Okay, let's do slow roll here. It's a king. Oh, that's terrible. I just gave away the bottom, which is the autograph. Arthur Kaliev, NHL Memoirs. I don't have his autograph, so nice hit for me, but not very good. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.